If you've been seeing content warnings on X, formerly Twitter, and you want to remove them so sensitive media can display properly, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll show you exactly how to remove the content warning on X.com, step by step in just a minute or two. This is a simple setting change, but it can make browsing much smoother if you're trying to view posts that are flagged as sensitive. If this tutorial helps you, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick social media guides. Let's get into it. First, open X.com or the X app and make sure you're signed into your account. Once you're on the main feed, look for the More option. On desktop, this is usually on the left-hand side menu. On mobile, it may appear inside the side navigation menu. Click or tap More to open the additional menu options. From there, select Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps most of the account, safety, and content preferences for your profile. After that, click Privacy and Safety. This section controls how your account handles sensitive content, discoverability, and media preferences. Now look for the Safety or Content You See section. Depending on updates to the platform, the wording may vary slightly, but it should be in this general area. Inside that section, find the option that says Display Media that may contain sensitive content. Check the box next to it to turn it on. This tells X that you want to see media that may be labeled as sensitive instead of having it hidden behind warning screens. Once you've done that, your settings should be saved automatically. In some cases, you may need to refresh the page or restart the app to see the change take effect. After that, go back to your feed or open a post that was previously covered by a warning, and you should notice that the content warning is removed or reduced for media you're allowed to view. If the setting doesn't appear right away, double-check that you're logged into the correct account and that you clicked the checkbox properly. Keep in mind that some content restrictions can also depend on your region, age settings, or account status, so results may vary slightly from one account to another. And that's it! You've now learned how to remove the content warning on X.com or Twitter by changing the sensitive content setting. If this video was helpful, please like the video and subscribe so you don't miss the next quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.